Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the wonderful world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Our word of the day is amend. That's amend, a C1 level verb that means to change or improve something. It's a powerful word that you'll often encounter in formal contexts, but it's also incredibly versatile in everyday life. Let's start with the definition. To amend means to make changes to something in order to improve it or make it more accurate. You'll often hear it in discussions about laws, documents, or plans, but it can also apply to any situation where changes are needed to make something better. For example, a government might amend a law to reflect modern values, or a writer might amend their essay after receiving feedback. Now, let's look at some synonyms for amend. Words like modify, adjust, and revise are close in meaning. For instance, you could say, "The teacher asked me to revise my essay to make it clearer," or "We'll need to adjust the schedule to fit everyone's availability." These synonyms are handy when you want to express slight changes or improvements. On the flip side, some antonyms for amend include worsen, damage, and harm. Imagine someone saying, "Instead of fixing the issue, their actions only worsen the situation," or "Be careful not to damage the original design while working on the project." These words highlight a lack of improvement or even a decline in quality. So, how can you use amend in everyday life? Imagine you're in a meeting and you hear someone say, "Let's amend the proposal to include a backup plan." Or perhaps you're at home and tell a friend, "I need to amend my budget for next month because I have some unexpected expenses." It's a great word to use when you're talking about fine-tuning or improving something to make it better. Here are a few more examples of amend in sentences. The company decided to amend its policies to be more inclusive. After hearing the feedback, she promised to amend her approach to the project. The committee worked together to amend the contract terms before signing. To wrap things up, today we learned that amend means to change or improve something, often in a formal or structured way. We also explored its synonyms, like modify and adjust, as well as antonyms, such as worsen and damage. It's a versatile verb that can elevate your English and help you communicate with precision. Before we go, I'd love to hear from you. Can you create your own sentence using amend? Share it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps more listeners discover the show. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.